Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza hede ya kampeni ni ya neire kuhea Kenya thitima ya raithi na kuria Kenya othe na muthenya wa umuthi munini wa mutongoria wa bururi we Rigathi Gachagua akorirwo akiruguria kiganda gia thitima akuria mwena wa Naikuru ta uria Kagera wa Giteru aratariria.
Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua muthenya wa muthenya ruguriria wakio kenda gia thitima kia Menengai Jothamo kaunti-ini ya Nakuru na nikio giko gya kere kinene thutha wa kireki Olkaria.
It is a great day as we break the ground for construction of Menengai Jothamo power generation project. This project will add an extra 35 megawatts to a national grid upon completion in 2025 to complement the existing Jothamo wind, solar and hydropower.
Kiganda giki ni kia umwaki wa thitima watts 35 na ni mwacirania cia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza hari gukinyaniria hinya wa thitima wa ya raithi kuri a Kenya othe.
Kenya Kwanza administration is determined to push this further as one of the measures of transitioning from fossil fuel to green energy in our bid to combat the negative effects of climate change. We are implementing this project in partnership with Globalec with the support of the African Development Bank to a tune of $145 million. It pushes Kenya closer to our target of 100% transition to renewable energy.
Wakiwa kiganda giki ni gikuhe andu 200 wira na wona kiarikani kuongerera hinya wa thitima bururi-ini wothe.
Upon completion, electricity from this power plant that we launched today will cost about 7 US cents. Reduced cost of power is also a catalyst to our development pillar and manufacturing, which will not only reduce the cost of production, but also accelerate job creation for our unemployed population, especially our young people.
Girifotera Muthiki TV iria kwani Kagera wa Giteru.
Shishige maine na thitima ni ati aikari aitura ria Shitoto gicigo bunge gia Ikolomani muthini makoretwo makirorongana na magicakaya niwe